Hi, welcome back to my channel. Now you are watching a huge volcano's eruption in this week. Please watch and like and subscribe my channel. First one, Manjaro volcano on Ampe Island on February 3rd, 2022. Second volcano eruption on Anaka Krakatau in Indonesia, 7th February 2022 today. Now we are watching third one. This one happened in Russia, Kuril Islands on 6th February 2022. Ebiko volcano eruption in Russia, Kuril Islands. Now, last one. This is happened in Central Java, Indonesia, in Mount Merapi volcano eruption. Huge explosion is happened on 6th February 2022. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share and subscribe my channel.